To craft in Warframe Android, first of all, you will need to acquire a foundry. So usually you should get it at the beginning of the game when you complete a few of the starting quests in the galaxy map right here. So after those quests are done, you should unlock this foundry that I shown you right here, and then you can walk up to it and interact with it. From there, as you can see, there's multiple different filters on the top, so we can craft Warframe or their components. We can craft primary weapons, secondary weapons, and melee weapons. You can also see any different options right here. Then all you have to do is find a specific item that you want to craft, click on it, and if you have enough of the resources that are defined right here, you'll be able to craft it, and it will take this much time. And also there's the money cost of credits that you will need to pay. You can always speed up the crafting process with platinum. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.